Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to import suppliers in QuickBooks Online. So first of all, let me show you that how many suppliers do we have. So currently you can see that we have around 34 suppliers. Fine. Now just click on settings. Here you will get option of import data. So once you click there, you will get this kind of display, and these are the things which we can import in QuickBooks Online. Okay, so in this video we are just focusing on suppliers. So just click on suppliers. Now from here you can download a sample file. Okay, so with the help of sample file you can identify, or you can understand that what kind of fields you have to enter, what kind of things you can enter in particular file, where to enter the field. Okay, so let me show the file. Fine. So you can see that name, company, email, phone, mobile number, then fax, website, street. Right? There are so many fields. City, country, postcode. And here name is mandatory field. Okay. Now I'm just going to browse my file. So this one is my second file which I am going to import. Now it may take a little bit load. Okay. Then after you have to click on next. Now you have to map your fields to QuickBooks fields. Okay, you have to just select the field, like this one is name, this one is city, this one is opening balance. Okay, after mapping data, just click on next. So this one is 9 suppliers are ready to be imported. You have to just see the data field and just click on import. Fine. Now it may take some time on the length of data, we can say. Now 9 of 9 suppliers successfully imported. So earlier there were only 34 suppliers, and now as you can see there are 43 suppliers. Fine. So in this way we can import the suppliers. Just remember one thing, whenever you are going to import a supplier, name field is mandatory. Okay, if you blank, if you do not enter any kind of data in address, numbers, that is fine, but you have to enter the name in name column. Fine. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.